So in today's video, I'm going to take you through my character design process. So I decided to draw my character off camera so we can focus on other things such as inking. Before I start, I want to lightly erase any heavy pencil marks for better results. Alright, I'm halfway done with the outlining for today. I'm going to give it a break, but I'm going to come back and finish it on day 2. Here's a quick tip. You never want to rush outlining because you want clean lines. Take your time and you'll definitely see some great results. Alright, so the outline is done, so now let's get into coloring.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record.
For the skin tone, I use 3 Copic markers, fruit pink for the undertones, sand for the midtones, and copper for the dark tones, also the shadows.
Price on y'all, snake eyes on dice for y'all, shoulders on ice for y'all, A6 all the hate, I won't get a ball today, got lost in the ball and A's, I'm flipping the balls, I'm flipping the on record, off record, I still count wins when they got it, on record, off record, I let them take advantage, I was wildin', on record, off record deals, tell them talk to Colin for the quote, on record, off record, I still want the act, not the ghost.
If you're feeling inspired to use a similar color palette, feel free to pause the video and copy down this list. I'll also include the colors in the description below.
For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record.
I believe this was probably the most difficult piece of work I had to do because I was using so many different shades of green and I wasn't sure if I was getting the right balance, but fortunately it worked out for the best.
Wanted a foe in affection, I summon and dub it, cause bitch I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling, left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling, the birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling, phone and progression, it's all that I wanted, a foe in affection, I summon and dub it. Why you be all on my line about nothing, why won't you go get you $1 or something, don't hang with who lying for nothing. I see that we different, you riding, I double. I don't do discussions on bragging about hundreds. Don't go to your places, I know that they sunken. Don't call me your brother, I barely could trust you. I talked to a shorty, she bagging the bucket. And I'ma need all of my dollars on corporate, so hand me the money, I divvy the pie. I'ma give all of my people a portion to build them a fortune on flipping the ride. I can't be mixy when iffy the vibe, and 40 on 50 is really the time. Why is you all on my phone like you want me, like you wasn't pushing the kid to the side? I don't know if you bitches are thinking I'm blind. Cross on my crosses and dot on my eyes. Done with your efforts, I'm dealing with pressures. I know it's a lesson, that's word of the wise. Dubbing the mixes I'm mixing, I know I've been missing. I needed some personal time. All the pictures, dimensions, I don't with your digits. I mean it, I'm staying inside.
Alright, I gotta finish coloring this pocket, and I think I'm done with the clothing.
Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something. That's why I ain't calling. Phone in progression is all that I wanted. The foe in affection, I summon and dub it. Cause got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something. That's why I ain't calling. Phone in progression is all that I wanted. The foe in affection, I summon and dub it.
Alright, so we're almost done. All I have to do is color the shoes, and I think I'm ready to show the reveal. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.